Check out this 2012 Hyundai Tucson. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. Run all over town and back to home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with an efficient 4-cylinder engine.
Connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission.
Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Memory settings are just one of the extras. An included Carfax vehicle history report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.